The Garmin Fenix 8 is here and brings a host of new features that take it to the next level. Known for being a powerful smartwatch designed for outdoor enthusiasts, Fenix 8 pushes boundaries even further. With its advanced technology, the Fenix 8 is aimed at those looking for a premium experience, whether you're into fitness, adventure, or simply want a feature-packed smartwatch. Let's dive into what makes this new model stand out. One of the most notable upgrades in the Garmin Fenix 8 is the addition of a built-in speaker and microphone. This allows users to make and receive phone calls directly from their wrist without the need to pull out a phone. Whether you're hiking, running, or simply on the go, staying connected has never been easier. This feature brings a new level of convenience, particularly for those who are always on the move or engaged in outdoor activities where accessing a phone is not practical. Another exciting addition to the Garmin Fenix 8 is its new offline voice assistance feature. Unlike most smartwatches that require an internet connection for voice commands, the Fenix 8 allows you to control various functions of the watch even when you're off the grid. This is especially useful for adventurers who find themselves in remote locations where connectivity is limited. Whether you're setting up a workout, navigating a trail, or checking your health metrics, this voice assistance feature is designed to make your experience smoother and more efficient. For water sports enthusiasts, the new depth gauge feature is a welcome upgrade. The Garmin Fenix 8 is now capable of tracking how deep you are in the water, making it an excellent tool for divers and swimmers. This feature provides accurate data, ensuring that you're always informed about your dive depth, whether for safety reasons or just to track your underwater adventures. It's another example of how Garmin continues to innovate with features tailored for those who love the outdoors. Battery life. The Garmin Fenix 8 also introduces a new solar panel, which significantly enhances its battery life. The solar panel helps to extend the watch's usage between charges, making it ideal for long trips and extended outdoor adventures. With this upgrade, you'll be able to rely on your watch for longer periods without needing to recharge frequently. The improved battery life is a major advantage, especially for those who spend a lot of time outdoors or in situations where charging options are limited. Pricing. However, all these advanced features come at a price. The Garmin Fenix 8 is more expensive than its predecessors. This higher cost reflects the advanced technology and the premium features packed into the watch. For those considering an upgrade, it's important to weigh whether the new features justify the higher price. The Fenix 8 offers a lot for its price, but is worth considering if these enhancements align with your needs and budget. To sum up, the Garmin Fenix 8 is a standout smartwatch with several impressive new features. The addition of a built-in speaker and microphone allows for hands-free calls, while offline voice assistance provides convenience even without an internet connection. The new depth gauge is perfect for aquatic activities, and the upgraded solar panel offers extended battery life for those long outdoor adventures. Although it comes with a higher price tag compared to previous models, the advanced features make it a compelling choice for those seeking a premium smartwatch experience. Whether the Garmin Fenix 8 is worth the investment depends on how much you value these new capabilities and how they fit into your lifestyle.